On this James the Bike Guy, we're going to be going ahead and protecting my brand new Bontrager Garmin Edge 1030. And to do that, I've bought both a silicone case and some screen protectors. Now, to do this, I'm going to walk you through the process of getting it done. Now, I should say one of the things that is really important is to get this done early. So we're doing this basically as this is brand new. The factory plastic, yeah, that hasn't even been removed. So first off, I'm going to do the screen protector here. We'll pull it out, and to do this, we're going to pull our screen protector right off. And even though we pulled it off, you can actually see there's a few spots where there's a couple of smudges. So at that point, we're going to have this nice little microfiber cloth that we can go through and really clean this up really well. If we end up seeing any marks, we've got one right there. We want to get this virtually as clean as we possibly can. So the idea here is the cleaner it is, the better the adhesion is going to be. Now, if yours was a used unit, it actually does come with some alcohol prep pads, and this is basically sticky paper that doesn't leave residue that you can use to pull up, little pieces of lint or things like that that might be on there. I'm gonna have two tabs on this screen protector, one that says 1 and then 2. The 1, this is actually going to be the tab that we pull first, and that's because that's going to come off, and now we can get this lined up on the Garmin. So we can get this properly lined up like so, and then we can begin to then just lay down the screen protector nice and flat. So it ended up coming out pretty well. I did miss just one really tiny speck, but that's okay because overall the screen looks good. And when you put a protector on this early, it's going to allow the screen just to pretty much always stay really nice looking. Now the last thing to get it protected is going to be putting our silicone case on, and that's really easy. You just kind of slide it in down at the end, and then it's going to slide right over the case here. And so basically what you end up with is a little bit thicker computer, but it's nice and covered. You still have access to the charge and data port down at the bottom. You're still going to have access to the buttons because you can see that those do fit there. Just overall, pretty nice setup. So thanks for watching this video on customizing my Bontrager Garmin Edge 1030 with a rubberized case and a screen protector.